Hello everyone, it's Christina from Bible Journal Crafts and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are in 1 Corinthians 13 and I'm sharing this free printable with you guys. You can find it absolutely free in the description down below and I hope you like it. And we are in 1 Corinthians 13 that talks about love. And so this free printable is all about love. You can see what I'm using right here. I have my sharpener with me because I might just sharpen my color pencils. I am using Prismacolor pencils and here you can see me tracing the printable. And I also trace the lettering. The reason I do this is because some of the letterings have a different font and I might not copy it without tracing it. That's why I trace the lettering as well. Right now I'm going to sharpen my color pencils and you can see what colors I'm going to use. The first color is going to be peach. And this is going to be like the basic color because upon this color I'm going to build the layers. And here you can see you guys that I am coloring with this cross hatching technique that it will not leave any white spot behind. And where it needs to color the shadow, I am pressing a little bit harder and then I'm using a tone darker color pencil that is the orange, and after that I'm going to use sienna brown and then I repeat the same steps on the other hand. You can see here that sometimes I am looking at my hands to see the color, if it's matching, and if I want to add a little bit more details and where I need them to be. So it's pretty cool to use your own body parts as your model for your drawing. And right now I'm going to do the background. I'm going to use this light blue, sky blue I would say, and I'll be real careful not to cover the hands, just the background. So I'm using this tip brush, but you can use any brush that you like, but be careful of your drawing with the hands. And because I don't want my watercolor painting to cover the lettering that I did with the pencil, I'm using it very lightly. You can see here that I do the same thing. I just see my hands how they look like. Now I'm going to use this Muji pen that is 0.38. It is really thin and I like it to be so thin because the words that I'm going to write, the lettering, they are so small and I don't want to smudge with the pen if it's going to be like a really thick pen. So I'm using this pen that it doesn't bleed through and it is really thin to write the lettering just the way that I want it to be. And on some words that I want to have calligraphy, I am gonna go over it again without fear because it will not bleed through. Love rejoices in the truth, believes all things, endures all things, never fails. Love is patient, bears all things, love is hopeful, and love is kind. You can see here that I'm doing this calligraphy. And because I finished the background and all the art, I can see right now that some of the shadows really don't stand out. So I'm using again brown and I'm going over the shadows one more time. And here it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you download your free printable and enjoyed it as well. I can't wait to see your painting in my Facebook group, and thank you so much for watching. Hit it with the like button if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more free printables. Thank you so much. Bye.